Probably the favorite part of my show is the new products because I'm always looking to be cutting edge, finding something else that nobody else has.
Innovation here, and the most ridiculous, epic things that I've ever seen in my life.
Here at SEMA 2019, this tool management system known as Neato from In Your Zone has won numerous awards. Terry, what a great idea.
Thank you, Joe. Neato is all about efficiency. Hi, I'm Terry Scott from Australia. Thanks for dropping in to say hello. Imagine having a product that could maximise your time and be more efficient. Now, I'd like to introduce you to my product, Neato. Comprising of 3 flexible arms with interchangeable attachments. In a nutshell, Neato is quality. There's a magnet board, magnet tub, phone holder, a work light, and a funnel. And in the future, many more exciting new products and attachments.
Let me see those hands in the sky.
Whether you're working on a car or something as intricate as a laptop, pretty much anyone using hand tools is going to benefit from Neato. With an adaptable base that can go everywhere, Neato gives you a 3rd, 4th, even a 5th hand. It's a highly functional product delivering performance and convenience with safety in your workspace. Now that you've seen Neato, you can see how you'll become more efficient with an extra set of hands on the job.
Good afternoon, chefs.
After 6 years of hard yards and development, I'm really excited that people all over the world are about to use Neato.
So getting home late at night after a shoot, I mean, the last thing you want to be doing is, stripping back a drone and checking it out. You have to make sure the thing is tip-top before it, goes out in the morning. So the Neato's been fantastic for workflow. The thing is, it's getting pulled apart. You haven't got parts all over the bench, and we just keep our zone organised. Flying commercially, there can be pressure. Sometimes things aren't going the way you want them to go, and you have problems with your machine, and pull the machines apart, and having that extra set of hands takes a load of pressure off. I'm Jordan Bethune, and my Neato creates time and maximises efficiency.